want to apply for? Speak out loud. What position?
I am applied from the restaurant.
Restaurant work. Okay, so introduce yourself.
My name is Ali Hassan. I am from Gujarat. I am passed my metric from Swag Ali Chapwal. Then I passed my intermediate from Science College. After that, I will pass my degree in Accounting and Finance from UCP University of Central Punjab, Lahore. After that, COVID will come. I will do job in KFC, and after that, I will come here to.
Okay, that's right. So what is self-hygiene? What is self-hygiene?
Self-hygiene means to say that clean yourself first of all, self-hygiene means yourself making your face, your body also look clean, look beautiful. First of all, you clean your teeth, your hair properly, clean your ear, your face look neat and clean. And any customer will come in restaurant, see you will clear that your face will be clear and you see it feel happy.
Okay, where did you work as waiter?
I worked as a waiter as in KFC main channel properly.
That's right.
Yes.
Have you ever got any aggressive customer? If yes, how did you make him calm down? What did you do with them?
Yes, I have faced one aggressive customer. First, it will come. First of all, first you say salam to any customer, and then you will spend smile to any other customer. And but you say to customer first, sir, come and any other thing. If you smiley face, customer will see it disagree or that mood will come down, and after that you will start with things they will say.
That's right. And what if a customer make a complaint? What will you do in that case?
If customer makes any complaint of restaurant or any other, first of all I will do to complain to manager. If I will solve my better, I will do my best, and I will ask to customer to start, please apologize for myself, and next not will happen this.
That's right. Okay. And the last question is, how do you engage customer to wait for the main dish to be served? What we got?
Okay, sir. I will engage the customer if customer order me anything that will take 15 minutes or 20 minutes. My first priority is that I will deal customer how to deal that they will stay there and his mind will relax according to this restaurant. I will serve anything or any salad or anything that will engage his mind in this customer that he will wait from this that is ordered in that will deliver in 20 or 25 minutes.
That's right. अगर आप में भी इत्तेमाद है, अगर आप में भी सेल्फ कॉन्फिडेंस है और इंग्लिश बोल सकते हैं और आप समझते हैं कि आप एक कामयाब वेटर बन सकते हैं, प्रोफेशनल वेटर, तो आप भी अप्लाई करें। सबसे बड़ी बात होती है एक्सपीरियंस। अगर आपके पास एक्सपीरियंस है, यू आर मोस्ट वेलकम। वैसे तो नॉर्मल रूटीन में जब भी बात होती है अमेरिकन स्टैंडर्ड की आती है, अमेरिकन फूड के आते हैं या अमेरिकन चेन के आते हैं रेस्टोरेंट्स के, तो वो सिर्फ KFC, मैकडोनल्ड और हार्डीज पे ही करते हैं। लेकिन इसके बावजूद भी अगर किसी और रेस्टोरेंट्स की भी एक्सपीरियंस है, तभी आप लोग आ सकते हैं, आप मुख्तलिफ जगहों पर अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, रेस्टोरेंट वर्कर बने, अपनी ज़िंदगी बनाएँ। थैंक यू वेरी मच। गुड बाय।